When President Roosevelt gave his second inaugural address, the nation was no longer gripped by the fear it had when he first came to office, but there was still much work to be done.
You, Franklin Delano Roosevelt, do solemnly swear that you will faithfully execute the office of President of the United States and will, to the best of your ability, preserve, protect, and defend the Constitution of the United States. So help you God. I, Franklin Delano Roosevelt, solemnly swear I will faithfully execute the office of President of the United States and will, to the best of my ability, preserve, protect, and defend the Constitution of the United States. So help me God. My fellow countrymen, when 4 years ago we met to inaugurate a president, the Republic, single-minded in anxiety, stood in spirit here. We dedicated ourselves to the fulfillment of a vision to speed the time when there would be for all the people that security and peace essential to the pursuit of happiness. We of the Republic pledged ourselves to drive from the temple of our ancient faith those who had profaned it, to end by action, tireless and unafraid, the stagnation and despair of that day. We did those first things first. We have made the exercise of all power more democratic. Into their proper subordination to the people's government. The legend that they were invincible, above and beyond the processes of a democracy, has been shattered. They have been shattered. They have been beaten. A great nation upon a great continent, blessed with a great wealth of natural resources. Its 130 million people are at peace among themselves. They are making their country a good neighbor among the nations. I see a United States which can demonstrate that under democratic methods of government, national wealth can be translated into a spreading volume of human comfort hitherto unknown, and the lowest standard of living can be raised far above the level of mere subsistence. Income so meager that the pall of family disaster hangs over them day by day. But it is not in despair that I paint. I paint it for you in hope, because the nation, seeing and understanding the injustice of it, proposes to paint it out. We are determined to make every American citizen the subject of his country's interest and concern. As President of the United States, I assume solemn obligation of leading the American people forward. They have chosen to advance while its duties rest upon their purpose and to do their will, seeking divine guidance to give light to them that sit in darkness and to guide our feet into the way of peace.